Compound Drilling Center KD612GN. Configures with independent pressure booster and inverter on drill head. Ensure efficient and stable processing. 2 sets of milling cutters mounted in the dual lower spindles reduce the number of tool changes. Configures with 12-post tool magazine. It can hold side milling aggregate, saw blades, and milling cutters of different specifications, enabling automatic tool changing and fast tool reset. Patent technology, dual pressure plate equipped and less vibration, avoids scratches on panels. The mechanical structure features a high degree of active avoidance, requiring no excessive program restrictions, to make each workpiece with the ultimate results. Standard configuration includes 2 exist aggregate with optional 45 degrees or 4 exist aggregate and side routing aggregate with a saw blade. Dedicated aggregate for integrated 45 degrees bevel sawing, milling and lamello grooves, easy installation and high efficiency. Aggregate with 360 degrees routable for side milling, no panel rotation required, achieving 4 faces to be processed with 1 tool. 9 kilowatts high-power milling spindle, ensuring efficient and stable processing. Applicable to process side lamello, invisible lock fittings, etc. A preferred model for the high-end customs manufacture and bring further to the furniture intelligent made. KDT always brings continuous innovations on its CNC drilling series. Open up a bright future on furniture machinery.